In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resume time tracking in Hubstaff. Whether you're managing a team or working on personal projects, accurate time tracking is crucial, and knowing how to resume tracking in Hubstaff is a skill you'll want to have. So, let's get started and explore this straightforward process together. Firstly, locate the time button on your Hubstaff dashboard, which is usually found at the top of the screen. This feature is designed to make tracking time as seamless as possible, offering a convenient way to manage your work hours. By clicking on this button, you open up the pathway to efficiently resume your time tracking whenever needed. Once you have clicked on the time button, prepare to proceed to the next step. Now, look for the square-like play button. This button is an essential part of the time tracking process, allowing for the quick and easy resumption of tracking. This icon is your gateway to starting where you left off. Think of it as your personal play button in the world of productivity. Clicking on it will switch the tracker back into action, capturing every minute of your ongoing task. Make sure you're ready to dive back into your work or project, and this step will ensure no time is left unaccounted for in your digital work diary. Finally, after activating your time tracking with the play button, direct your attention to another important feature, the blue button. This button is crucial as it confirms that your time tracking is fully operational and active. It's a final check to ensure everything is in place before you immerse yourself in your tasks. Hit the blue button to make sure that the time is being accurately logged and saved in your Hubstaff account. To summarize what we've covered, you start by clicking on the time button at the top of your Hubstaff dashboard, continue by activating the square-like play button to resume tracking, then reinforce everything by clicking the blue button, solidifying your tracker's settings. Each step has been designed to make your experience as smooth and productive as possible, helping you maintain an accurate record of your working hours with minimal effort. That's it. You've successfully resumed time tracking in Hubstaff. With these steps, you can ensure that your projects and tasks are tracked effectively, allowing you to focus on what matters most, completing your work efficiently. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to resume tracking, and hopefully they'll become second nature before long. Thank you for tuning into today's session. I hope you found this guide informative and easy to follow. Remember, whether you're tracking individual tasks or managing a team, mastering this aspect of Hubstaff will significantly enhance your productivity. Keep practicing